Good day, traders. Gakuna Trading course. Closes in breakouts. Today's topic, I'll be talking about markets that close in breakout. When a market closes in breakout, what does it really mean? To my understanding, to the very best of my understanding, I will be showing you guys what I understand by markets that close in breakouts. Okay, now a lot of you guys have asked questions about markets that close in breakout. What do we really need to see for a market that closes in breakout? Now, a market that closes in breakout may indicate a strong trend. Okay, and it may continue in the direction of that trend. It may also indicate a reversal. Okay, now what do Gakuna wants to see with a closing breakout that makes it interesting? I want to see 3 higher closes, three higher closes in breakout. Okay, and also for lower closes. Okay, I want to also see it align with our setup, be it a 3-day setup or 3 days of breakout. Okay, it can be a 3-day setup, it can be 3 days of breakouts. 3 higher closes in breakout, 3 higher closes, 3 lower closes, 3 lower closes in breakouts. Now, a market can close in breakout and continue in the direction of the trend. This is where in the playbook I emphasize on markets that are out of balance. Understanding a market that is out of balance, strongly out of balance, like Al Brooks would say, do not trade against the moving average. Okay, now when a market closes in breakout, we want the market to switch over to the other side of the moving average. Okay, and that switch over must be accepted. The switch over needs to be accepted. Okay, but then when you have 3 higher closes and 3 lower closes and the market has refused to come back to the other side of the moving average, we are now trading, you are now trying to trade against the moving average. Higher time frame traders are still pushing that market to the upside. Okay, now we saw that on EuroCAD today. Now, what do I mean by when the market is out of balance or when the market is in balance? If you look at this chart very well, we have a large pump and a large dump. We have 3 higher closes in breakout, we have 3 lower closes in breakout, about to set up properly before we can start looking for a reversal. But if you look very well, we have 3 days of breakouts, longs and shorts from both sides. We have a first ready. Okay, now looking at this information, looking at the moving average, are we trading against the moving average in both direction? Answer that question. Look at this chart very well. Answer that question very well. Okay, when the market flips to the other side, it changes course, then we can follow higher time frame traders to the opposite direction. Okay, now EuroCAD today, I bought EuroCAD. Now, why did I buy EuroCAD? Now we see we have markets that are closing in breakout. We have Monday close in breakout, Tuesday close in breakout, Wednesday is about to close in breakout. I took this long. Okay, now you see we are not trading against the moving average. We tried to trade against the moving average on Tuesday. We got taken out of this market. Okay, and we made back the money today out of balance. Okay, so we want to make sure that we have 3 higher closes and we are back to the opposite side of the moving average before we start selling, okay, to the other direction. Else the market keeps trending and we do not want to trade against the moving average, as Master Al Brooks has said. Okay, we want to align ourselves with other time frame traders as much as possible. Okay, now let's look at the 3-day setup. Like I always say, CAD JPY 3-day setup reversed today in Asia and give us our reversal. For those of you who have the playbook, you see this template, you see this pattern, you will see it over and over again. It will keep coming, it will keep coming, it will keep coming. May the markets go with you 1% better with Simile. I hope this video gives you value of higher closes and lower closes. Now, for those of you who have asked about setting up your chart, first of all, I want you to come to settings, take a screenshot of everything you see here. Go to events, use session breaks, click on the economic events. Okay, use my settings, use my symbol settings. You can also use, you must not use red here, by the way, you can use black. Okay, now come to your Gakuna settings indicator. Okay, your Gakuna levels, you can see that I don't have the day breaks on. Follow my setup. If you don't have the 4-hour EMA, you can use this 90 period moving average. It represents the 4-hour on higher time frame. Untick these 2 levels here. Look at my opening range. Look at the style I used. Look at the labels I ticked. Labels for opening range, high and low is tick. Labels for previous months, high and low is tick. Labels for previous days, high and low is ticked. Look at the closing price. Okay, look at my time zone. Please untick your round number levels. You will not be using them often. When you need them, you can put them on. Look at that. Follow my settings. Take your time. Look at this video, follow my settings, and then do the same thing on your charts. May the markets go with you guys 1% better every single day. See you guys in the next one. Thank you.